Are you ready for some fun? Instead of eating Halloween candy, let's do a science experiment with it. You will only need a few supplies. Grab some sugar-coated candy, like Skittles. Pick some autumn colors. I used red and yellow. I wish I had orange, but we'll see what happens. You will also need a plate and a cup of water. That's it. Let's do a science experiment. Take your candy and make circles around the plate with the different colors. These are making wonderful patterns, aren't they? It is time to carefully pour the water over the candy. Do this slowly so the candy doesn't move. You only need a shallow layer. Wow! Things are changing in the water. Be patient and watch. This is science in action. Do you know what's happening? The sugar coating is colored with food coloring, and it dissolves in the water. Wait, it looks like I do have the color orange after all. The red and yellow mix together to make orange. When you do your science experiment, see what patterns you can make. And have a happy Halloween.